In the last Bonk price prediction, I gave you a few trades, basically this short right here, this long right here, which was for a small profit, and then this long right here. So the question is, what is Dolo going to do right now? What is Bonk, sorry, going to do right now? I also have a under short on Dolo that I just entered. It was right, the take profit started reversing. So basically we want to see what is price going to do right here, and we can see a few liquidation areas like the 206 right here, which is actually massive. It's a massive liquidation area, 206 basically. And also we have the 196. Both of these liquidation areas basically have like around a mil worth of liquidations, and they also coincide with stop losses. We have a good amount of stop losses here and above these and below these lows. So here's the game plan, and I won't waste a second of your time. I'm gonna go with a short, with a confirmation right here, and along with a confirmation right here. That's exactly how I'm planning to play Bonk out. Let me know your thoughts about it as well. I'm making these daily videos for you for free. If you also want to join the signals chat and have them live, there's a link in the description down below for that. We've got an incredible run yesterday. Also, I have a link to my course in the description down below if you want to learn my strategies. I made them pretty cheap. And in the description of this video, I'll have links to BloFin. Currently, they're giving away a user. They have a user exclusive. They're giving away a $30 bonus on just $50 deposited, which means you're instantly making 60% on your money. I definitely think it's worth checking out. Check it out in the link in the description down below. This video is no financial advice. See you in the next one.